Hi there, Gail here from MyRepurposedLife.com and the Junkie Chalker. Today I'm going to show you how I repurposed an old frame that contained a broken mirror into a new and useful piece of artwork. I start by using a square laser to line up my chalk couture transfers. As I line them up, I peel away the transfer and fuzz the transfer to make it less sticky, and then apply it to the new chalkboard. I apply the chalk paste, spreading it around, wiping off the excess and putting it back in the jar. Then I reveal the wonderful phrase. On to the next part. I peel, I fuzz, I apply, and then I spread the chalk paste around. Here you'll see that I'm pressing the letters down to make sure that the screen print actually adheres to the chalkboard so there are no air bubbles. This is not in real time, of course, but it is very, very quick. Working my way down to the next word, I line it up again with the laser, and I also have a ruler to help me stay centered. The laser helps me stay straight while the ruler helps me stay centered. I peel and I fuzz. I'm just putting it on my apron and getting the fuzz on the transfer makes it less sticky and easily peels off the chalkboard. There was a slight air bubble, so as you see, I lifted it and put it back down to remove the air bubble, scraping away the excess as I go. Ta-da, there we have. Come in and stay a while. What you didn't see off camera is, after each of the transfers was applied, I put them in a pan of water to keep them wet. After I rinse them off in the pan of water, I take them to the kitchen sink and flush water through each of the screen print areas. Be sure to close your chalk paste up and clean your tools promptly. Using a Clorox wipe, I wipe down the back of the transfers and replace each of them on their carrier sheets, safely protected for their use next time.